Actually, this material stage acting, my father, my son, my family, my country, and so many aham mameti, I am and mine. This is the disease of this material. I am something, Lord, and everything mine. So, this is simply stage play. As soon as the body is finished, this play is also finished. Just like in theatrical performances, as soon as the time is over, the drop scene is there, and you have to give up your dress and become Mr. Such and such. No more king, no more nothing. And while playing in the stage, I am king, I am queen, I am this, and so many things I was doing. And as soon as the play is over, I am neither king, neither queen, I am ordinary Mr. John and Mr. So, why should we play in that way? We are actually King's son, the Supreme Paramesha, the Supreme Father. He is not only Supreme by name, but He is Vaisajjasya. He is the proprietor of all wealth. All. Samagra means all. Vaisajjasya, samagrasya. Bijasya. Here my father may be weak. He cannot give me protection. When death is drawing me, dragging me, my father cannot give me protection. But if you actually approach the Supreme Father, there is no death. Death cannot touch you. You have got such a father. Just approach him. Vaisajjasya samagrasya. Bijasya, he is so powerful. Even in this world, while you are conscious of your father, Krishna conscious, your father gives you all protection. Kontya pratijanihi namaste to Arjuna. You declare it to the world that my devotee will never be vanquished. We have got such a relationship, we have got such a father. All the scriptures, they are advising you to search out your real father. Then you will be happy. Don't try to be happy by this false dress and false father, false platform. No. The scriptural instruction, no scripture in the world instructs you that you will become happy here. No. Take Bible, take Quran, or take Bhagavad Gita, or any scripture, even Buddhist scripture. Lord Buddha was a king's son. Why did he give up everything? He became a mendicant and placed himself in meditation and Gaya underneath a tree. So, that philosophy also does not say that you enjoy this material world. Nobody will say, and be happy here. No scripture will say that. Every scripture will say that you find out your real father. Come back to God. That is it. The modern foolish creatures, they may find out something that here we have to adjust things. Here we shall make the heavenly kingdom. No, Bhagavad Gita does not say that. Dukkhalayam masasatam. This place is full of misery. So unless one comes to this understanding that this place is full of misery, or there is no chance of spiritual progress. If that this place is very nice, here we have got nice food, nice sleeping accommodation, nice girlfriend or boyfriend, and so if he says this is nice, then he is not progressing. This should be condemned. It is not pessimism. It is the real understanding that there is no happiness here. Unless one understands fully, he cannot make any spiritual progress. That's the fact. Because yet actually there is no happiness. And if we think there is happiness, that means I am still under illusion. Still under